Yeah, we back, man. We back. You know, many traders lose. You know why many traders lose their money? You know why many traders lose their money? Because they only look at one time frame. Today, I'll show you how professional traders use the top-down analysis to understand the market, bro. How they use the top-down analysis to understand the market, man. What is top-down analysis? Top-down analysis, the method used in finance when you trade in to analyze, start by analyzing the bigger picture to the lower time frame just to get the specific movement of the market. You know, that's what top-down analysis is. In case you're just joining us for the first time, my name is Andrew Da Silva Williams, the biggest man in the game. To get this money, we need to come together. Everyone needs to come together. Everyone needs to know how to get this shit together because top down analysis is what I'll be showing you guys today. Let's go into the chart. Let's go. Yeah, man. Yeah, we're starting from the bottom part. You see how we start by analyzing, setting the market straight, coming down, the mark out the key levels. We start by the monthly time frame. Firstly, the monthly time frame is to identify the key structures. Weekly time frame to mark out the key levels. You already know. Daily time frame is where you watch the market before you come into with your snapper entry on the 4 hour time frame to the 1 hour time frame. You already know how we do it. We do it like we eat this every day, bro. Wake me up from my sleep. I'm coming to serve you. I'm coming to give you. This is what I've been doing. In fact, a lot of people have like a credit card, yeah, but man, I ain't got none. No credit card, bro. This is my credit card. Whenever I'm hungry in the market, I come down here, look for the best way to go, and I hit. I'm always coming with a sniper entry. Then the market is stopped. Market already stopped at moving the whole direction. All these low traders, all these lower time frame traders, they always come to the market. They start scalping. They start want to, hey man. Then we're just watching the big boys. I already told you guys, we're watching. We're always there watching. We watch before we move. Smartest way to trend. Yeah, I'm already placing the key levels. I said the monthly time frame is where you come out to place out the key levels. Make sure you touch all these zones like you already see down here. I'm doing the same thing right now. I want you guys to understand this is really, really easy when you do this every day. Yeah. Should we put up there? Is there any need? Any need to come up here? Let's just leave it because the market has not been there for a long time. You see, this is how you draw your key levels. Make sure you touch all zones. You see them. Let me pull this a little bit backwards so that everyone will see. Yeah, this is how we go. This is how we go. This is how we roll. This is how we roll. This is the monthly. This is the monthly time frame. This is where you get the structure of the market. Then you come down into let's just see. I'll move out to the weekly now. You see how it goes now. This is the chart. This is it, chat. Chat. This is it. We almost there. We getting there. We almost there, bro. What is the importance of top-down analysis? First thing first, gives you the better understanding of the market. Like you see now, you can understand the market without me even talking too much. You already see the support and resistance zone without me even saying them, bro. You see, went up, broke this point, came down, broke this point, came up a little bit, hit this point, came down. You see, it broke down, it came up to this point, this level. We don't have to go too deep, you see came up here. In fact, I know this market because I was trading this market at this point here. Let's just keep this level like this. You see, mark out all the key levels. Bitcoin respects round numbers. You already know Bitcoin respect round numbers. I already said the better makes what are the importance of this? It makes you understand the best way to trade, bro. It improves your trading accuracy. You see, this is what I use every time. Come down here. I put these blue lines together. You see the blue lines. These are the connections. It connects everything together. Everything. Make sure it connects. Everything is touching, bro. Make sure yours is like that. You see, Make sure yours is like that so you will understand the market clearly. The weekly time frame is to identify the key levels. Now you understand the trend of this market. You see where the market is going. You understand every importance of this market. I already said it gives you the better exit and entry into this market. It helps you find the precise entry. It helps you find the levels, the key levels to go in every time. This is the best, bro. Top down analysis. Don't let anybody start whining you, telling you to use Bollinger Japans. Wake up in Asian time. Come and trade. Wake up in bro. She ain't walking, bro. Just she ain't hitting hard, bro. This is the major thing into the market, bro. Top down analysis. You can see how it goes from up, down, breaks this zone, come down, came down a little bit, hit this spot, shallow them guys here, came down a little bit, touch this zone. You see how it respects every zone. So what are we doing now? We come out to this point. You see, we are on a weekly time frame. Yeah, we come out here. We hit our trend line. Very important. The trend line. Very, very, very important. This is how you draw your trend line. The two outermost part of the trend. You hit it. You hit this zone. Hit this zone. We're waiting for the third zone. The third hit of the trend line. Always do the trick. Like you guys already know, I'm getting this money, bro. Every time I come in here, I hit this market, I get this money. Almost we should let's show them a little bit of some, man. Yeah, you see him, man. This is bulk, bro. This is bulk, bro. This money on the table, man, money on the no money on the table. The conversation speed goes fluently. You see, that's why I'm happy. Every time I come in here, I'm always happy because there's always money in the table. There's always what? Money on the table. Yeah. Top down analysis reduce risk. In fact, someone came into my DM saying, bro, why is it like you always show your money? Bro, do you know how hard this market is? Do you know how hard is it to extract just $20 from this market, bro? Have you ever thought about it? This shit is one of the hardest thing down here, bro. Do you know how long it took me? Why you, bro? Stop hating, bro. Come into the game and know what you're doing. Stop telling me what to do, man. You ain't my dad. What's wrong with y'all, Carl? Come into the game, man. What's wrong with you, bro? I ain't cussing, bro. I ain't cussing. I just want you to understand that you need to understand what is going on into this market, man. Come, let's show you. Hit the top down analysis. Stop hating from a distance, man. Do you know how long it took me? Man, that's not the reason why we're here. We're here to expatiate the top down analysis for you guys. Yeah. Mm, you see this zone? Yeah. These are major zones. These are major zones. I remember these zones clearly. These are major zones. Don't let anybody fool you. But you see the zones that you will not leave out. These zones also. No, not this. We use this guy. Yeah. You see this zone. This is a this is a good zone you won't want to leave out. So you see this zone in Bitcoin. This is very, very important. You see right now, that's where the market is playing. You can see it. That's why I don't understand what is going on in this market. You have to respect this zone. This is a critical part of the market because it was this zone that this market broke that went up here, that formed out this zone. And this is the same zone the market is now. This is indecisive zone. That is what I've been calling it. That's why I put my bracket here. I put my box here like this and wait for this market. No, we ain't going to use this. Hold on. Let me take this other guy. Yeah, let's use this. I put my market here. I wait for this to come down. Oh my God, you do not understand this market. This market is very tricky, brothers. This market is very, very tricky. I am very, very, very observant of this market. That's why you see, whenever I'm in this market, I always take my time. I always wait for the market to do its things first. You see, top down analysis is the best approach, bro. This is what professional traders use. This is what they use, my man. You see how I open this market up within 30 seconds, 30 minutes. we know up to 30 minutes now. I'm already breaking this shit down for you guys. I want you guys to understand this thing is easy. When you understand what you're doing, the only way you understand what you're doing is when you pay attention to the game, you pay attention to the market, you pay attention to what's going on. Bro, this market is really, really hard. Make it simple for you. Make it simple for yourself. So when you come in here, you hit the market, you already know you're going to get more profit out of the market. You use the monthly time frame to understand the market structure. You use the weekly to mark out key levels, like I already showed you guys. You see the key levels now. It's coming down, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. This is why I don't want to talk into the market. Lower high, another lower low should be down here, but I don't want Bitcoin to fall. Oh, I hate when Bitcoin is going down. It breaks my heart, man. I'm too dedicated into this. I love Bitcoin. In fact, I give Bitcoin. I'm too loyal to Bitcoin too. Wherever when it's going down, if I know it's going down, guess what? I don't even take the trend. I don't even take the market when it's going down. I leave it, let it just go down on its own. That's the loyalty I've got for Bitcoin. But what is going to happen now? We have to be realistic into this market. I don't want to be partial. I don't want to use my feelings because the market doesn't care about how you feel. The market just wants you to know that, yeah, this is what you're doing. This is what you're doing. You need to understand what you're doing. So yeah, I'll come with this, the trend line also. Hit this trend line for here. Let's see what happened here just now, recently. You see what happened here? Let me clone this guy. Clone it, clone it, clone it. Yeah, in case you guys don't know how to make use of your trading view, I'll show you maybe in anytime soon. We'll come here again. We use this guy. I'll just show you what happened recently in the market that we need to be very, very careful of. That's why I'm not in this trend. But I feel Bitcoin is going to start trending right now. Bitcoin is going to start trending right now because the market is already moving from the commodities market, which is the gold, silver, and all. They're already dipping, dropping down because the interest rate is already going down. And that is when the market goes down also. But right now, if the market doesn't move from commodities, this is how it goes. The market moves from the commodities to the forex, from the forex to the crypto. If it's not moving in the forex, it's going to move into the crypto. That's why I'm having a feeling that this market is going to start moving very, very, very soon. We need to pay attention. We need to pay attention. Let's show them again. Make their mind day. I pray someone tries to come take this from me, man. Hope you got your life assured. You never know. You never know what might happen. You never know what might happen. I think- oh my, bro. We need to just keep them going, man. So yeah, this is how it is. Yeah. Let's wrap it up. Wrap it up. So if the market, you see how I opened this market for you just in a space of how many seconds, bro? How many minutes, bro? I am too good with this shit, bro. I already told you guys. I don't have no credit card. This is my credit card. Whenever I'm hungry, whenever I come here, extract this money, pay attention to the market. You see, this market can just go up like this, come down. Well, I don't want to talk too much. Let's see. I'm favoring more of, I don't even know. The market has to break one spot for me to favor any part. So right now, the market is in a cage. You need to break that cage before you want me to take Mr. Bitcoin. I'm not going. I'm not going for your shallow. I'm not going, man. So like we already said, we're going on the importance of top down analysis. It improves your trading decision, your decision making. You see, right now we're on a daily time frame. We're still seeing the spot on the daily time frame. I already told you guys we go from the monthly time frame to the weekly time frame, from the weekly time frame to the daily time frame, from the daily time frame to the 4 and a 1 hour time frame. In fact, 4 and a 1 hour time frame, sorry, excuse me. That's when we take our trades. That is when we come into the trade. We take our trade. We come in with the sniper entry. We hit it. We go in. We extract that money from the market. Right now, you see the market is coming. It's moving the direction we already want it to move. I already told you guys on my last video, like Bitcoin is going to consolidate at this zone. I already told you guys. If you're just watching this for the first time, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. So whenever I drop a video like this, you're gonna be the first person to watch this video. Get this money, hit this money, let's get it. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's keep going. Yeah, the monthly time frame, get the direction, like I said, identify the structure. Like I said, then now we're going into the this is the daily time frame. Yeah. So now we're moving on to the 4 hour time frame. This is the 4 hour time frame. This is where you go and jump into the trade. So before I enter this trade now, this market has to break this zone or break this zone. And when it's breaking these zones, it has to break with a bullish engulfing or a bullish bearish before I take anything from this market. If not, I ain't going for none. I ain't going for none, bro. Ski. I ain't going for none. I'm waiting for you to make sure you move before I move. I know that's where the 15 minutes, the low time frame traders, there's where they are battling. Hey, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. By this time, we're just watching. Once it comes down to this zone, it breaks down. But which I'm seeing here, it breaks down to this zone. Hit here. The market will come down a little bit, give them shallow, back down. See, 40. This is what I don't want to happen. Oh, this is what I don't want to happen. And this might likely happen. This might likely happen, but I don't want it to happen. I don't want Bitcoin to sell, brothers. I don't want Bitcoin to sell. It's going to break my heart because I have big bag somewhere with Bitcoin that I'm just keeping. Oh, I don't want this to happen. But anyways, the market doesn't dwell on one person. The market makes its move whenever and however. So we just keep watching. We just flow with the market. I already told you guys. Flow with the market. Don't make sure. You see how I draw this sheet, man. I draw this sheet too easy. I draw this sheet too easy. You see, everything is corresponding. Everything is touching. If it's not touching, I'm trying to put them together because this can be really. It doesn't. Your chart doesn't need to be this tacky. Simple, simple. Break the trend and hit. You see, Bitcoin is good. But if at all, what I want to happen is Bitcoin to go up. I want Bitcoin to buy because that's what I've always wanted. Hit this zone, come here, hit this zone a little bit, drop them down a little bit, and buy up. By that way, buy up here, stop this level. By that way, I'll just come down here, set my buy from here. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Set my buy from here. I wish this thing goes up. I want to buy more. I want to buy more. I just set my buy for here. Put my stop loss below this previous support level. Then this is how it goes. But who knows? Who knows? Oh, I wish it comes like this. So who knows? Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens, man. I'm gonna take it off. Let's see what happens. So we're waiting for Bitcoin to break this zone before we take our trend. So I'll be watching this video. I'll be keeping an eye on this, and whenever it comes out, I'm gonna let you guys know. So you see, I break this down. I give you guys the brief concept of this market just to know top-down analysis is one of the best approach. This makes you identify the trend. This makes you identify the structures, mark out your support and resistance levels, move your lower time frame to your lower time frame should be your major entries. You already know. Wait for confirmation. Start by the lower time frame. Hit that sniper entry, bro. Extract money. This is very important, bro. We're all here to make money from this forex market. You're not supposed to come here and play games. You need to save your capital, save your money, and watch out for when the market is making the major moves. That's when you go in. Don't come here and break your and start making silly moves, trying to trade with lower time frame and start blowing that money. Bro, you don't need to do that. Make sure you understand this market clearly. If you're just watching, if you're watching this video, if you watch this video down to this point, man, I want to say thank you. Hit the subscribe button, hit that like button. Make sure you understand this whole concept of top-down analysis before you go into the market, brothers. I want to say, oh, I'm not feeling too happy today because Real Madrid won. Oh, I want Real Madrid to lose. Everybody know I'm a Barca fan. I'm a Barca fan. But I still jumped onto this market because, man, feeling doesn't change shit. Still jump onto this market, open this market for you guys, make you guys understand this market. And from today we're talking about this market. The next time I'll be coming on here, I just hope Bitcoin is already printing either ways. Either ways I'm jumping in, you already know. But for now, keep an eye on the market. Make sure you grab 2 cents from this topic I just taught you guys. First time of coming to my channel, I want to say thank you, thank you, thank you for everyone. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there. I want to say stay blessed. Happy New Week. Peace out. Love you guys. Yeah.